other derivatives. The 16th class of compound is cyanides or nitriles. What is the functional group of nitriles or cyanides? Bond CN. Here the general formula RCN. R is any alkyl group. The 17th class of organic compound is isocyanates. It is a isoform of alkyl cyanides or alkyl nitriles. The functional group is bond NC. The general formula is RNC. The 18th family or 18th class of organic compound is cyanate. What is the functional group for cyanates? Bond OCN. The general formula for cyanates or alkyl cyanates are OCN. The 19th class of or 19th family of organic compound given here is isocyanates. It is a isoform of cyanates. What is the functional group? Bond NCO. What is the general formula? R bond NCO. The 20th class of organic compound is thiocyanates. It is similar to cyanates. Bond OCN. O atom is replaced by sulfur atom. So thiocyanates. What is the formula? What is the functional group for thiocyanates? Bond SCN. The general formula for thiocyanates are RSCN. The 21st class of organic compound is isocyanate. It is a isoform of thiocyanate, isothiocyanate. What is the functional group? Bond NCS. The general formula for isothiocyanate is RNCS. Some other cyanate derivatives are not given here. Actually, selenocyanates, tellurocyanats, these are not given here. The 23rd class of organic compound is thioalcohols or diols. Thioalcohols are the isoforms of or analogous to alcohols. The oxygen atom of alcohols are replaced by sulfur atom. Here the functional group for thioalcohols or diols is bond SH. The general formula is RSH. R is any alkyl group. The 24th class of organic compound classification based on functional group is thioesters. What is the functional group for thioesters? Bond S bond. What is the general formula for thioester? R S R dash for mixed type thioesters. For simple type thioesters, RSR. The 25th class of organic compound given is imines. It is a unsaturated linear compounds. The functional group for imines or alkyl imines is double bond NH. The general formula for alkyl imines is RCH double bond NH. 26th class of organic compound is nitroso compounds. It is just similar to nitro compounds, but one oxygen is less on the nitrogen atom. So the functional group for nitroso compound is bond NO. The general formula for nitroso compound is RNO. R is any alkyl group. 27th class of organic compounds. Hydrosides. Here the name is given as hydrazines and also called by the name hydrosides. Hydrazines or hydrosides are the derivatives of hydrazines. What is the molecular formula for hydrazines? NH2 bond NH2. In hydrazines, on one NH2 group, one hydrogen is replaced by some alkyl groups gives hydrosides. So the functional group for hydrosides is bond NH bond NH2. The general formula is RNH NH2. The 28th class of organic compound is hydroso compounds. Here it is also the derivatives of hydrazines, NH2 bond NH2. On each nitrogen atom, one hydrogen atom is replaced by some alkyl groups or any other aryl groups. Here, hydroso compounds having the functional group bond NH bond NH bond. The general formula for hydroso compounds are NH NHR. 29th class of organic compound is phenols. Actually we have studied alcohols. What is the functional group for alcohols? Bond OH. The general formula for alcohols is ROH. Here phenols. Phenols also a type of alcohols, not aliphatic alcohols. Phenols are aromatic alcohols because the alcoholic functional group OH is directly attached with the aromatic ring or benzene ring. So phenols are the aromatic alcohols. Phenols just differently reacting with other chemicals, other compounds than simple alcohols. So the special class is given for phenols as a 29th serial. Here phenols, the functional group is aromatic OH, that is given here as phenol structure. And also the general formula not correctly given here, simply given as a C6H5OH. We cannot predict the exact general formula for phenols because phenol, the general formula, phenol, the molecular formula is C6H5OH. It is a molecular formula for simple phenol. Phenols are some derivative compounds of simple phenol, may having some other secondary functional groups some other alkyl substituents. Here the 13th class of organic compound classified by the functional group is imide. The general formula for imide is given here as bond CON H CO bond. In some cases, the hydrogen is replaced by some alkyl groups. What is the general formula for imides? R CO N R dash CO R double dash. That's all about the classification of organic compounds based on functional groups.